Lovers, welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. And yeah, guys, you know it's the festive season, yeah, and we need to learn how to bake and make nice scones for the family. You know, everyone's at home, so I have a recipe that might interest you today. So yeah, guys, let's give it a try. Please do try this at home. I promise you it's nice, it's really delicious. So let's get right into it. Yeah. Guys, you need 3 cups of cake flour, all right, and then 50 grams of butter. You need half a cup of sugar. You can use white sugar, it's fine. I just prefer using brown sugar. And then you have a pinch of salt right there, about half a teaspoon of salt. And then I have my baking powder. This is a tablespoon. And then 3 eggs. This is 1 big beetroot head, okay? This is 1 big beetroot. I just grated it, all right? And then you're going to need a teaspoon of vanilla essence and a cup of your fresh milk, all right? So let's get into it. So guys, this is my beetroot, okay? 1 large beetroot, or you can use 2 medium-sized, all right? Or 2 small beetroots, that's fine. And then I'm going to take my milk. This is about a cup of fresh milk. So what you have to do is to pour it in there. A cup, all right? Make sure it's a cup. I did measure this, don't worry. All right, so we're going to leave this together. This together. See that? Yeah. So let's put this aside, and then I'm going to work with our dry ingredients. So I'm going to throw in the sugar. All right, so the sugar is in. At this point in time, guys, make sure your hands are clean because you're going to use your hands for the batter. And then I'm going to take my salt. Oops. And then I'm going to take my baking powder, throw it in there as well, and just mix this together. This is so easy to make, guys. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Yeah, and if you haven't watched my previous videos, please go back and check them. Yes, guys, so now that I have this, I'm going to take my butter. This is my butter. It's at room temperature. So I'm just gonna pour it in there and start working with my hands. All right, hands, make sure they are clean. All right, so I'm going to put these 2 together like this. Okay. Guys, so this is what our flour looks like with the butter and all the dry ingredients. Yes, so now it's like this. We're going to work with this, our beetroot and milk. All right, so let's take our vanilla essence, about a teaspoon. That should do. We throw it in there, and then I'm going to take my 3 eggs and break them into this. 1, 2, 3. There you have it. So I'm going to mix this together. All right. Okay, guys, so I'm going to take this and pour it inside here. All of it, all right? This is actually a very healthy snack, yeah? So make sure you do try this at home. All right, so I'm going to mix this. So guys, this is how thick it should. This is the consistency. All right, see this? This is how it should look like. So yes guys, I'm going to now take my pan. I've already greased it with butter, and we're going to be putting our scones. So make sure that you are preheating your oven as you are doing this at 190 degrees before you start baking. So yeah, let's do this. Look at that. Look at the